Well, good afternoon, Joshua TV followers. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. And here we are again out at lovely Lake Mead, and we are here at Waterbase. Uh-oh, somebody's beeping out there. I don't know if that was distress horns or not. I'm sure if it was the sheriff boat, we'll hear more. Okay. We'll cut that out, I guess. Well, when we got here this morning, we were a little late getting here. Ever have one of those days where you're just out of it? Just out of it. Dazed and confused for so long, it's not true. That was my morning. So when I got here, this boat was gone. They assumed we were finished with it. And we were not. So the starboard side of the boat, I did from inside the boat, and it's not really that easy to do. It kind of sucks, but it seems to have come out really nice. If we look down the, yeah, there's no real again, all I have is horizontal pull on it, or vertical pull. I don't have any way to stretch it out from the stairway to the front of the boat. We're not attached to this support at all. There's nothing to pull laterally on the screen to pull any of those wrinkles out. But really, when the sun starts to bake it in the summertime in the 109, 112 degree heat, most of these are going to come out. These zippers are all tightened up, and let's see if we can unzip here and take you on. I haven't even seen it from the outside yet. Hopefully you're getting a good shot of that. So we got all the starboard side done. Starboard transition, starboard forward, forward gate, port forward, port transition, and then this is where my port side forward was too short, and I had to tack that scab onto it, and then I could staple the zipper on. I had everything all nice and attached, and then stapled the zipper. It was the same thing here on the starter piece. There's a starter piece that snaps to the boat and then comes out and grabs the railing and then goes up, but it's kind of twisted as it goes up and over the railing. It's a very delicate kind of a curve, so I wait till the end where the gate is done and was on attached. The transition piece is snapped and attached, and then I monkey bite the zipper in nice and straight. So it's all, again, it pulled laterally as much as you can. There's nothing out here on the bow of the boat to pull against. You just start pulling in wrinkles. So there it is, laying nice and flat. And again, the more sun it gets, the better it's going to be. That'll start to shrink up a little bit, and then there you can see my zipper shields for the exterior. It hides the ketter and the zipper from the sun. And I would imagine if you're in a rainy climate, you would be trying to hide your zippers from the moss and the mold. So any way you can shed water off of your zipper is definitely the way you want to do it. All right, there it is. Thank you so much for following along. You can exit here if you want to, but I'm going to take you upstairs and we'll take a look around at Las Vegas Boat Harbor and Lake Mead Marina here on the lovely water base. Oh, he's got a lot of this carpet up. Look at that. This carpet did not want to let go of the floor. Again, the boat was loved very, very much. And then it was left for a couple of years, and then it was sold. Boy, look at these Dodgers. They are just tore up. Ah. Has the jet ski lift on it. I don't know that they're going to put jet skis up here, though. They have another slip. Let's go up on the third deck. This Dodger I do have to replace. There is the top of C. C is covered. The covered slip off in the distance is R. That dock right there is B. That one's A. B, there's a bridge. Heads out to Q. Everything out here is Q. The little boat right now is going up Action Alley. That marina on the far side, that is Lake Mead Marina. This is Las Vegas Boat Harbor. And then there's the passage to get out to the lake. Just through the tires there. That's a pretty good view up here. About 30 feet off the water. 35 feet off the water. Again, thank you so much for following along, and I hope you make a Josh Who TV channel and put some content on it. We're a small group, but we share freely. Thanks for following.